Stop what you're doing right now. You don't want to miss this. Imagine a life where you could completely transform who you are and rebuild your reality. Not just some generic self-help advice, but a tangible, real opportunity to live on your own terms. I'm talking about breaking free from the chains of your past and stepping into a life of your own design. If you feel trapped, overwhelmed, or stuck in a version of yourself you don't like, then this message is for you. It's time to take control. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover the exact steps to disappear from your old life and reinvent yourself in a way that feels authentic and empowering. This isn't about running away from your problems. It's about creating a whole new reality, one where you are the master of your destiny, the architect of your life. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Declutter your life. The first step to disappearing is shedding everything that no longer serves you. This process begins with a deep and honest reflection on what fills your life. I'm not just talking about physical possessions. Think about the relationships, habits, and even thoughts that you carry with you daily. When was the last time you truly evaluated your life and asked yourself, is this really what I want? Decluttering isn't just an act, it's a mindset. Begin with your physical space. Go through your belongings and ask, does this item spark joy? Does it add value to my life? Donate, recycle, or dispose of anything that doesn't align with your new vision. This physical act of decluttering symbolizes the emotional and mental release you're seeking. Next, turn your attention to your relationships. Evaluate who in your life uplifts you and who brings you down. It can be difficult, but sometimes letting go of toxic relationships is necessary for your growth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your transformation. Finally, address your internal dialogue. Are your thoughts empowering or limiting? Start journaling to identify negative patterns. Write down affirmations that counteract these thoughts, creating a new narrative that serves your goals. This process of mental decluttering will pave the way for new perspectives. Change your environment. Now that you've cleared physical and mental space, it's time to change your environment. The surroundings you inhabit profoundly influence your mindset and actions. Consider where you live and who you spend your time with. These elements shape your identity and reality. Transform your living space into a sanctuary that reflects your aspirations. Paint the walls a color that inspires you. Rearrange your furniture to create a more inviting atmosphere. And fill your home with items that remind you of your goals. Art, books, or photographs that spark joy and creativity. Beyond your home, think about the broader environment you inhabit. Explore new neighborhoods, visit local cafes, or join clubs that resonate with your interests. Changing your environment doesn't just mean physical relocation. It's also about immersing yourself in spaces that foster positivity and growth. Evaluate your social interactions. Attend events, workshops, or gatherings that introduce you to like-minded individuals. Building a supportive network can be crucial in your journey. Seek out mentors who inspire you, or simply connect with friends who share your passion for personal growth. Create a new identity. Now we arrive at the most exhilarating part, recreating yourself. This step is about embracing the idea that you can rewrite the story of your life. You're no longer beholden to the past. You have the power to define who you want to become. Start by envisioning your new identity. What does your ideal life look like? What values does this new version of you embody? Write down the characteristics, skills, and achievements you aspire to. This vision will serve as your North Star as you navigate your transformation. Change begins in your mindset. Start with small, manageable actions that align with your new identity. Set daily routines that reflect your goals. Perhaps you wake up earlier to exercise or dedicate time each week to learning a new skill. These incremental changes will create momentum and build confidence. Engage in visualization techniques. Imagine yourself as the person you want to be. Picture your life, your achievements, and your daily activities. This mental exercise will help reinforce your commitment to change. Create a vision board that encapsulates your aspirations. Display it somewhere you'll see it every day as a reminder of your journey. Let go of the past. One of the biggest obstacles to transformation is the tendency to hold on to the past. This can manifest in various ways. lingering regrets, fears stemming from past failures, or even the weight of other people's expectations. These emotional burdens can stifle your growth. To let go, you must first acknowledge what you're holding on to. Spend time reflecting on your past experiences. Write down any feelings of regret or unresolved issues. Once you've identified these, you can begin to process them. Understanding their impact on your current life is crucial for healing. Forgiveness is key in this step, both for yourself and for others. Forgive yourself for mistakes you've made. Acknowledge that growth often comes from setbacks. Consider creating a ritual to symbolize your release from the past, such as writing a letter to your past self and burning it, signifying your commitment to moving forward. Embrace the idea that your past does not dictate your future. Each day is an opportunity to make choices that align with your new identity. By releasing what no longer serves you, you make space for new experiences and opportunities. Here's the ultimate secret to disappearing and truly transforming. Embrace the unknown. Change often brings uncertainty, and many fear it because they don't know what lies ahead. However, to live the life you desire, you must trust that everything you need will come at the right time. Shift your perspective on the unknown. Instead of viewing it as a void filled with fear, see it as an open canvas for creativity and potential. Embracing uncertainty allows you to be open to new possibilities. Be willing to take risks that align with your goals, even if they feel uncomfortable. Start by practicing small acts of courage. Try a new activity, meet new people, or explore unfamiliar places. Each step outside your comfort zone is a chance to learn and grow. As you cultivate this mindset, you'll begin to view challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. Remember, the unknown is where the magic happens. It's where your new self can thrive. Trust in the process, and don't be afraid to step into the unfamiliar. Embracing change is the gateway to discovering the life you've always dreamed of. So are you ready to disappear from your old life and create the new one you've always wanted? The only thing standing in your way is you, but that can change, starting right now. Remember, transformation is a journey. It won't happen overnight, but every step counts. Make a commitment to yourself today. Identify one small action you can take that aligns with your new path. Whether it's decluttering a specific area, reaching out to a new connection, or simply writing down your goals, every action propels you forward. Believe in your ability to craft your reality. You have the power to shape your life into a reflection of your true self. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Step boldly into the unknown and watch as the life you've always envisioned begins to unfold. Your transformation starts now. Embrace it fully and get ready for the incredible journey ahead.